channel and we're here with the vlog and it's fucking snowing. Look at all the snow. For what? Wait. There's my ride. Hello. It's snowing. I'm dying. Hi. Snow! I just stepped in snow and I have shoes on. You're on the wrong side of going to hell.
Wrong side.
You said wrong side and I went on. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Guys.
Hi, Dad.
I was actually gonna say Dude, I'm shaking.
I'll vlog you vlogging me.
Oh yeah. Oh, you found the camera.
No,
Charger.
I found it. Yeah. That's where it was.
Where? In the couch? Wow. Look at these kids sleeping.
Can you fucking not? Jesus, Dad.
We're gonna get a car crash. My mom said be safe. Look.
What's Molly?
That's the T, sis.
He said, did you say honestly? Nigga, if you don't know.
She's so cute. Nani, I love you. Good morning. Hello, handsome. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Malik. Come on, let's go play basketball then. Come on, you got it. Everything just fell. Oh, shit. No. My nickels fell. I'm coming. You want some of that? Okay. Hey guys, I just won the jackpot. Like these are all like at this will deal thing, and I'm kind of pissed because I didn't get it on camera. Oh my god, it's just unfolding. Fuck. I don't know what to do with myself. at all, but hi. try to get the jackpot on. Oh. But I've been playing this, so if you can't see, I'm sorry. Oops. Leaving. I want you to do my thumbnail. You're gonna take a picture of me. Yes. I'm so cold. So cold. My neighborhood's looking nice. So cold. Oh my god.
So literally look at the laundry back there. I don't know if I'll be able to see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that's how much laundry we're getting done, and that's not even all of my laundry. I still have laundry in my hall closet, 2 baskets, and there's another basket sitting upstairs, and there's still like little bits of laundry everywhere because that's what happens when your boyfriend doesn't help you do laundry for like 6 months.
Tea, sister.
He's like, oh, you have any clothes? I'm like, I wonder why. Okay. Can I have a caramel frappe? I'm not getting it. Medium. Okay. And that's it.
So I made it turn into Thank you.
Sorry, dude. I just got coffee and I fuck some coffee.
I fucking love coffee, bro. It is.
What time is it? When did you say 5?
What time? 6:30.
It's 6:30 and we're going to laundry.
No, it's not. Get you guys self together. Laundry and getting coffee. Ooh. My lips.
I can't wait till Thursday I get paid.
The way it shines, I know.
I honestly should be vlogging too, but I just did a video, so I'm just gonna edit my video and upload the video.
I'm going to put her channel in the description, so subscribe.
Yeah, because my video is gonna be about Malik's psycho aunt.
You didn't even tell me it was.
It's about his aunt, how she tried to say that Lonnie wasn't Malik's baby and made all those fake accounts. And then hacked my shit and tried saying that Jesse got my information and sent her the videos.
Tea, sister. I knew you were gonna be white.
That's a sexy word, but I have some crispy wet dollars here for him because this is strip money. He's short too.
I can't say anything.
No. You would baby look at me.
583, please.
He's gonna go up there and he's gonna be up there playing his game, yelling, because no one's there to bother him.
He's gonna be like, fuck me in the ass. We're gonna be saying that.
I hope he realizes that I'm picking him up before we get the kids though. Because he's gonna drive out to Honest because I'm not supposed to be driving. Shh. I can drive. I just have to renew my license. How about that?
Oh, you can do it tomorrow.
I have court on Wednesday.
You should do it tomorrow.
I can't.
Oh, dang.
Here's your 11-11. Thank you.
Good night. I'm gonna zoom in all that.
Like, would be so jealous. I should send a picture.
Be like, you should have came.
We'll take 2 waters in there to thaw out.
Okay. I'm gonna go edit.
I need to fucking upload my shit so I can edit it and upload it. What? What is happening? We don't even fucking get internet back till Thursday. I need to get paid.
Do you want to like sit in front of the house and like use my Wi-Fi?
To be honest, I might. It's 2 a.m.
I'm outside uploading my video.
What the fuck, Kiara?
Oh, like you want to come inside, like in the like stair part? Finish the laundry. We finished the laundry.
I almost hit the car. Yeah, but we did do the laundry. No, we didn't finish the laundry.
We did half of it.
I have, honestly, God, at home, I have 2 baskets in the hallway, clothes under my bed, and these 2 baskets. So total, I have like 5 baskets of laundry left.
Let's just do that all tomorrow.
Honestly. Well, I have to find more money to get done. All right. But so now we're gonna go
Drop it off.
grab a leak, grab the kids because it's getting late and Anna's got all those kids, so I feel bad.
But we're gonna hang out in there, right? For like a couple minutes.
Well, yeah, the kids have to get ready and everything.
So I wanna just
We can't stay there really long though because
I know.
Come on, Carter.
Okay. Cheese. Jose. And Barbilla. Riley, you want the sucker? Mexican.
He's a Mexican.
He just kept saying
That's
it.
because I'm always saying. Okay, Snow. That's because I'm always saying Lonnie looks so Mexican. Because she does, but she's not. Weird. Cut that out. Oh my god! I am done being your sister for today.
No.
I will be nobody's sister for the day.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? I'm so upset. I'm not upset that Riley's doing that. My head bobble. The fuck? I'm like, your head
Mexican?
heavy when you say that? You put so much emphasis in the fuck. It's just like, fuck. It's cool. I don't know what I'm talking about, so don't ask me.
Leave me alone.
It's not bad.
We got all the laundry
Not all of it. I wish it was all.
up here that we did.
Yeah, the laundry that we did is up here. Shit have to be so motherfucking difficult for no reason. Like, bitch, where is my phone? Oh my god.
Isn't your phone in your hand?
No, not in. And then where's my phone in the transfer?
Hello.
Like, this goes there. But then
Look
this
how
doesn't.
beautiful you are.
So do I just twist this part?
Look how beautiful you are.
Can you try it? That's pissing me off.
Talk to me. I love you. You're so beautiful. You wanted it? Go, Lonnie. Go, Lonnie. You gonna stop jumping? Go, Lonnie. I'm gonna do it. Go, Lonnie. Go, Lonnie. Go, Lonnie. Go, Lonnie. Go. No? No? Okay. Bounce. Bounce. Oh my god, you got my reference. Oh my god, look at that belly. Love you. It's something about you, girl.
God, you better stop. My
You're hot as F. You will. And always. Hi, gorgeous.
Daddy!
Not yet.
Get that off camera.
You like crab?
Delete it!
Delete all
Oh,
it.
I'm sorry, did I bother you?
You don't like crab?
No! Stop!
Maybe next time.
She's gonna be evil.
She's like, that's my dad.
She just gets excited.
She does. She just like.
excited.
Uh oh. Be nice. Don't scream.
I was my Go away.
Okay. Yes. Yes, Dad. Yes, Dad.
No, Dad. Uh oh. Uh oh. Be nice.
I want to be able to handle this.
This is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And should I do more vlogs? That's the question, because I used to do them a lot and it was a problem. So should I do it now? Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, love you.